Okay, today we've got a 1.5 inch 300 series. We're going to be actuating it. We're going to be using our 63C coupler, our EasyLink BK2 bracket, and a pneumatic spring return SR75. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to close the valve if it's fail closed. So ours is going to be fail closed. So I'm going to start the first position off in closed position. And then next we're going to install studs. And these studs are 5/16. I prefer to have about a 1/4 inch showing on the bottom of the mounting pad. Just like so. And then next we'll install our BK2. And then our lock washers on top. And then next will be our nuts. Okay, next we'll go ahead and install our 63C coupler. It does have 2 set screws on it. Just make sure they're screwed out enough to where you can set it on the stem of the valve. Just like so. And then next we're going to put studs on our SR75 here. We're going to be using 8mm studs. Okay, and we'll go ahead and set our actuator on top of the bracket and coupler and just line it up the best we can. Just like so. Next we'll put on our lock washers. Okay. I like to have my lock washers and nut in the same fingers. And just screw it on there like so. Just put them on at the same exact time. Okay, and then you want to line the actuator up with the front of the valve and line the BK2 up as best you can, make them straight as possible. And then we're going to use a 1/2 inch size wrench to tighten down the nuts on the valve side and the actuator side. Okay, so now that everything's tight, we can go ahead and test the actuator. Make sure everything rotates appropriately. And then everything seems to be lining up perfectly, so we won't be doing any alignment. But there is 2 set screws on the coupler that we'll need to tighten while the valve is in the open position. So we'll go ahead and tighten those up while the valve's open. That's the only time that they're exposed. Okay, and then we'll take air off. And then that's it.